I like a lot of hands-on stuff because that's how they're going to learn welding, because it has to do with coordination and everything. But until you try it and get where you can efficiently do the weld, it's just kind of like the more you do, the better you are.
I think it's a really good skill to have, and I think it's a great opportunity for kids who want to do it and just want to have a career to go into.
There's a need for a bunch of welders out there in the world right now, in industry and that.
I think it's very important. This is hard, and this is a job that has to be done, and this class shows that, and it shows how hard it is. It does feel like something I could do.
I like welding. I've always liked welding, and as long as I can pass on information and some skills in that, hey, it makes me feel good.